In this video, I'll guide you on how to download Shotcut on your Windows PC. Let's get started. Go to shotcut.org in your browser. Let's wait for. Tap on click to download. To this page. In this page, you will see first hub. In the first hub, you see Windows installer or portable zip file. Let's select Windows portable zip file of it to take us to this page, which is faster. Will save us to select the directory where we want to save it to. I will save it in my PC desktop. The download will just start. Let's skip after the download finish. Then we will go to the installation. To begin installation, we have to extract the file. Extraction has just begun. Let's wait for it to finish. We'll just skip the extraction process. The extraction is just completed now. Let's open the file. After opening the file, we'll look for the application. Here it is. You see it with a name of Shotcut on it. The file type is app. We'll open it as an administrator. This prompt window, Shotcut setup, license assistant. You can read this or skip by just tapping on I agree. Tap on I agree. You select where you want it to be. There is a requirement, you have to have 295. But let's give your Windows. Select add the shortcut to your desktop so that we will have it in our desktop screen. Then click on install. Installation just begin. Let's skip some of the process. After we skip some of the process, installation is taking place. Let's wait for a little more time to finish. Installation is almost done. Installation is done. I think it's done. Let's wait a little more. It's done. That installation. Let's open the prompt of the Windows. Shotcut is trying to put on our system. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and comment. All links are in the description of this video. Thank you.